Riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja medo seyo mokalo piny owacho kuom medo suru ma piny maru ma ogideo midhiero ma jo-Kenya kaloe. Kane giloso e kaunti ma Kisii gi jofwamb weche jatend Wiper migosi Kalonzo Musyoka gi nyawadgi mar DAPK Eugene Malo ne odhi mokalo kama piny Kenya chomo kaluwore kod ng'anyo mar lakteche makoro hinyo jopiny. Sechego bende ne gihum nono kod weche mibadhi kaachiel kod weche mag mbolea ma ok opuodhi ma ok nyal konyo jopur.
We have to caution our fellow citizens against the excesses of this Kenya Kwanza regime. Determined, and they look so determined. We even see the headline news is that trying to have a plan for raising 16 trillion by adding more taxes. First of all, they are beginning, the KRA people are saying now from the 19th of March, leo tarehe ngapi? Kwanza 3 days, and they are giving only a lead time. Unapatiwa 9 days to comply. Employer ana remit 1.5% na kila mtu 1.5%. Yani ni mupende musipende kind of mentality.
This is something that we must ask ourselves, where did the rain start beating us? In agriculture, we have been told of the success of the subsidized fertilizer. But what we have not been told, that part of that subsidized fertilizer was a donation from Russia. So there's been lack of full disclosure.
Indeed.
And that up to now has not been revealed. How much was received from Russia, who are the beneficiaries, and now we're hearing of fertilizer that is substandard. This is not a rumor. KEBS, we are going to fight to clean Kenya of this Kenya Kwanza.